back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I've seen in the comments that I have people outside of the United States watching my channel and watching my videos, and that you're wanting options for you. So that is what I have for you today. I do just want to quickly say my expertise is in the United States job market, since that is where I live and that is where I work as a hiring manager. So I don't have a lot of resources for finding worldwide jobs outside of the United States. But in this video, I have 4 jobs that are going to allow you to work from anywhere. So you can be in the United States or you can be in any other country. They are literally hiring worldwide. So we are going to dive all in. I just ask that if you enjoy any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from these, please share with them. First up, we have the company VRChat. Now, I started with this position because it's a non-phone customer support position. It's also the one that I couldn't find a lot of reviews on. So please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. VRChat only has 1 review. They have a 3.0 stars, and that 1 review says it's a remote work culture. They have a generally chill culture, so it's great to work with, but they didn't see any room for growth or salary increases. So if you're just looking for a job to get by, this one might be for you. If you're looking for somewhere to climb up the corporate ladder, this one might not be for you. But they are looking for somebody to do full-time user support. Now, VRChat provides an endless collection of social VR experiences for users to give them the power of creation in their robust community. And so they're looking for somebody to troubleshoot any issues that come up in day-to-day use of this VRChat technology, collecting any community feedback, and engaging in the VRChat community. So this is going to be completely non-phone. You're going to handle emails sent to their various support inboxes, making sure the tickets are delegated or responded to in a timely manner. You'll keep in touch with that VRChat community online, happenings in the community, new creations, innovations, and just generally know what's going on. You're going to organize the feedback and report any issues from users for bugs and things up to the engineer so that they can fix those issues. You'll just keep track of the community feedback through the feedback site. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 3 years of experience in community management role or support, someone who has previous experience with ticket-based support systems, someone who has an interest in VR technology. You've got to have great communication skills, be a self-starter who can work independently. And unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. I don't think any of these positions actually listed pay. Pay is always going to be dependent on things like location and experience, with location playing a big role. And since they're hiring worldwide, where you are is going to be dependent on your pay. But they do offer a standard benefit package that includes health benefits, unlimited paid time off, things like that. Moving right along, though, we have the company Cohere. Cohere, I could not find a Glassdoor page for them, so please, again, do your own research. But they are looking for a member of their technical staff for their data pipelines. Again, they're hiring remote wherever. But they're looking for somebody to be responsible for handling data annotation systems, ensuring data quality, improving their large language models. They're looking for somebody to work on data sets or other sorts of data quality efforts to ensure data diversity, coverage, and consistency, just evaluating the impact of the data on their models to continuously improve the data quality. So you're going to develop and optimize data pipelines that handle the ingestion of the data, the annotation of the data, and the integration of those large data sets into their model training and evaluation systems. So you're just going to be training those large-scale models on these massive data sets. They are looking for somebody who has some technical experience. No college degree is needed for these, though, but they're looking for somebody who has 5 years experience managing and analyzing large data sets, someone who can work and is proficient in using Python or ML frameworks, someone who has had exposure to different sequence models such as transformers, and someone who has excellent communication skills. Moving right along, next up we have the company Duolingo. They have 171 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a music composition and curricular consultant. This is worldwide. This is going to be a temporary freelance position, unlike the other ones that are full-time positions. that are permanent. This one is looking for somebody who has a musical expertise to suggest public domain songs that are interesting, align with their concepts that they want to teach, and have the appropriate difficulty level for music learners. You're going to use composition expertise with Sound Slice to compose around 1 to 2 minute songs a week, which fit into their teaching curriculum. So you're going to use music education experience to support curricular decisions for a new app to teach music. Now, this one is going to require a degree. They're looking for somebody who has a degree in music education, psychology, or some kind of cognitive science. You do have to have a full professional proficiency in the English language, experience connecting music to music theory, and just basic computer skills like using Google Docs and spreadsheets. If music is not your thing, though, maybe this next one might be. The company is Aircall. They have 246 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a technical support specialist. They're looking for somebody just to receive and respond to all of their escalated customer cases regarding technical and functional questions and issues. You're going to be the second point of contact for these people. So you're going to handle a variety of the complex issues that first point of contact couldn't solve, dealing with various platforms, operating systems, applications, integrations, inbound, outbound calling, caller ID, calling features, anything like that. You're just going to analyze and be a part of the resolution, assisting those frontline first contact support team, helping train them on specific topics and how to improve the issues that were escalated to you on the second line technical support team. So you'll work closely with the product developers and managers, just understanding and resolving any technical issues that come up. They are looking for somebody who's a strong problem solver who can make decisions with those critical thinking skills, someone who has previous experience in a client-facing technical role, someone who's comfortable multitasking in a fast-paced environment. Of course, you've got to have a positive attitude, be a self-starter, great organizational skills, and be motivated to learn yourself, to seek out knowledge, just those problem-solving skills. Now, you do have to be able to work with computers, specifically Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. You need to know how to work all the computer and phone platforms. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.